Okay, so welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video we are going to learn how to create Acre boxes for a local plan. So to create an Acre boxes you need your shapefile. So the shapefile, it should be a line shapefile. So this is its plot. So shapefile, I have created that shapefile and I use projected coordinate system to do that. Yes. Then after creating a shapefile of the plots in a projected coordinate system, let's say this is your sector, this is where you are working at, this is it. So if this is it, then right away let's start editing and start creating the Acre box. So right click, editor, edit features, start editing. Edit features, start editing. So after doing that, then let us go to the editor toolbar and bring the create feature tab. So this is it. Aside the create feature tab and the editor toolbar, you also need the advanced editing toolbar. So if your advanced editing toolbar is not there, you go to customize, advanced editing is there, then you activate it. So you take this, and before I start, you need your dimensions. Is it going to be 100 by 90 acres, or is it going to be maybe 90 by 90? You need to have your dimensions in your head, and my dimension is 90 by 100. And you need to also have the sizes of your road in your head. So what is the sizes of your road? Is it going to be 5 meters, 10 meters? Do you get it? But me, I'm going to use this road as said, guys, so I'll take the measure too. So the dimension of this road is, I think, 9 meters. Okay, so if that is the case, then I'll start from here. I'll take the plots, then I'll just draw this line on the plot. After that, with the line selected, I'll go to the editor toolbar, then I'll go to copy parallel. At the copy parallel, I'll choose, let's say, right, then I'll write 9 meters. No, the right is going to this side, so I am wrong. So I'll go back and choose left. That is always confusing, so I'll go back, then I'll write 9 meters, 9m, then I'll choose left. Have you seen that? So that is the road I have created. Now I said my acre dimension is 90 feet by 100. So here to here will be 90, 90, 90. So by that, I'll select this one again. Then I'll go to the editor, copy parallel. Instead of 9 feet, I'll write 9 meters. Instead of 9 meters, I'll write 90 ft. With the left selected, you see, 9 feet area has been created. Have you seen that? 9 feet size. Then you shift it to the side. Then you select this again. You come here, copy parallel again, 90 feet. Do you get it? Yes. So when you are done, then let's say if you want a road to be between this, then you are going to select this one again. Do you get it? Then you go to editor toolbar, then you write there, let's say that road, we want it to be 5 feet or 4 meters, sorry. Do you get it? You see, then there will be that road. Then you select this, then you come and write 90 ft again, 90, sorry. Have you seen that? Now we are having this, so there will be this particular space over here. Let us leave it like that. Now that we are done with this, we are going to select the plot again and draw another one on this particular side. Have you gotten it? Now you come and select this one with it selected, then you go to copy parallel, then you write 100 ft. Have you seen that? Then you select this one too, 100 ft. Have you seen that? So let's say this and this are 100 ft. Let us leave it like that. when you are done, this is what we are going to do. We can see that this is not extended to this is not extended to this is not extended to this, and this have extended beyond this. So we have to address that. Now to do that, this is what we are going to do. You come here, you see the advanced editor toolbar. Yes, so now you select this. Sorry, now let us do this. We have to draw another plot on this. Have you seen this? You need to draw that one over here. Have you seen that? Now let us uncheck the boundary and see something. Then we need to draw another one on this one too. Have you seen that? Now if we uncheck the boundary, we will have the plots being visible. So this is what I was trying to say. So now we want this one to be extended to this. So to do that, you select this, then you come and select this. Have you seen this? Extend to. Then you select it. It will touch it. Now come down. With it selected already, you select the extend to. Pa. Have you seen that? It has touched it. Now you select this one to pa. Do you get it? The goal is to make every line touch each other. Do you get it? So now let us come here. You select this, then we will select the extend to pa. Do you get it? We will come back to this, but before that, let us go and do this one very quick. You see, this is a road, but this is extending. We don't want it to be like that. Have you seen that? We don't want it to be like that. So this is what we are going to do. We will select the extend to. So you come and select here pa. Have you seen this? Line intersection pa 1 2 3 pa 1 2 3. Do you get it? Then you come and select this, then you delete it. You come and do the same for this one. Pa 1 2 3 pa. Okay, it is already broken. So you come and select this. Have you seen this? So now we've cleared the road. Now that we've cleared the road, let us come here. Same thing is being seen here. So pa 1 2 3. Have you seen that? Pa 1 2 3. Then you select this. Then you select this. Have you seen that? Now we need to open this side of the road. So let us see. It is already. Have you seen that? Now let us go to this side. Do the same with this selected lines intersection pa 1 2 3 pa 1 2 3. Have you seen that? Then you select it. Go back and select this pa 1 2 3 pa 1 2 3. Have you seen that? Then you come and select this. Have you seen that? So we are using the editor toolbar and the advanced editing toolbar. Take note of that. Oh, that was a mistake. Let us zoom in. Okay, now let us do this again. We come here, we select this pa. Now let us come here and select this. Have you seen that? Now that we are done, what is left? What is left is that let us try and break this one. Pa 1 2 3 pa 1 2 3. Have you seen that? Now let us select this and break it. It seems this is not touching this. Have you seen that? So now we are going to do this. You select this, select the extend toolbar, extend to, then now I think they are touching, but they are still not touching. I think they are still not touching. So if they are still not touching, then I think we can do something like this. we extend this, then we come and select this and see, you see it has touched. Then now that it has touched, let us come and do this. Pa. Do you get it? And break it. Have you seen what we've done over there? Now assuming we are done, maybe you would want to curve the roads. If you would like to curve the road, you use this fillet. You select it, then you select half of the road, then you click OK. You see, half of the road. Have you seen that? I should have created another road from the top to the down. Do you get it? But this one, I just want you to know how you can create the Acre boxes. Pa. Assuming you are done, you've made sure that all the roads, all the lines are touching each other, you've done with your curves and other stuffs. Now, this is what you are going to do. I think we need to clear this road too. We need to make sure this road pa. Have you seen that? Now let us do the same for this. Pa. Select this. No, what's going on here? Line intersection. Select this half. Pa. Okay, for the last time. Pa. So now let us see. Still. Okay. So select line intersection. Pa. Yes. So now we are done. When you are done, like I said, make sure that all the lines are touching each other. This is touching this, this is touching this, this is touching this. Make sure all the boxes are being touched. You see, I have opened this and this because they are roads, but you can see that I didn't open this side and this side because they are parts of the plots or the boxes. Do you get it? So make sure all of them are touching each other. When you are done, then you save edit, then you stop edit. When you are done, then you go to window search. Do you get it? Window search. Then you search for feature to polygon. When you search for feature to polygon, then you select the first one. Have you seen that? Let us wait for it to finish loading. When it comes, in the first drop down arrow, you select it, then you select the plots, the lines. Do you get it? It is loading. When it is done, you can specify where you want it to be saved. For the purpose of the video, I'll just move forward and click OK. It is loading over here. Have you seen the globe sign over there? Let us wait. Woo! You see? Have you seen that? Yes. So now we've created the Acre boxes. So this is the plot. 90 by 100. 90 by 100. If I had done it, let's say 40 by 50, this will be 2, then maybe a road, then another 2, then a road, then another 2. Have you seen that? Yes. So this is how we create the Acre boxes. Yes. So that is it. That is it. In another video, I will repeat this and go further on how you can actually demarcate and color them in the various land uses. But for the purpose of only this video, we just learned how you can actually go about creating the Acre boxes. Yes, if you found this video helpful, kindly subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Like it, share it. You see, if you share the video, that is when YouTube will push it for your friend or another person to also see it and benefit from it as you've just done. So kindly help me with a subscription and a like, and you can also share it to your friend so that your friend can also learn this. Thank you very much, and I would like to see you in my next video. Bye bye.